Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm still waiting for parts, so I thought I would clean up a bit and move a little bit around. Sometimes you get a new look at some of your old stuff by moving it around, and I just wanted to show you this. We have here, I'm not sure if I'm the second owner or the third owner, but this is a Danish made jack and it's from 1947. Okay, so it's actually 76 years old. And what's really unique about this is that it has original paint. Okay, the green and the red here is all from factory. So I'm going to take you in a little bit closer in a minute, but I bought this, I don't know, maybe 25 years ago. I picked it up quite not far away from where it has been built. It's made by Stenhøj, which is a famous Danish company with lifts and so for shops. But this is later on they were just known as Stenhøj, but this is actually Sigurd Stenhøj, the guy's name. Being from 47, I think it has quite a, what you say, bold logo. He probably had that before the war as well, but it actually has SS and what do you call it? Old grave monument from the Stone Age in I think that's Stenhøj. It's a place, okay, in Jutland. So it also has SS here on this. I don't mind about that. It has nothing to do with the wrong SS, but it's a, or I think it's in English it's a brass handle here, and I'm actually unsure about how much it can lift, but I once lifted a Volvo Amazon sky high, but the handle is for this. Just like a lot of modern big jacks, and then when it gets heavy, you use the whole arm. So it's quite a capable jack, but I have used it very little, but I actually think a lot of the dirt is from the last time I used it because it is not so easy to move around. It is extremely heavy. And of course we just go back and wait for it to go down. Normally they would have been, all the paint and all would have been worn off a long time ago. But let me move you in for some of the details here. See the handle? Yeah, what can I say? They made stuff better back then. And why do I know it's from 47? I really hope you can see that. We got the year here. I don't have as much light here. And it has a number on the other side. There you can see the logo. I don't know what you call that in English. It's one of those old grave monuments from the Stone Age where you take some rocks and put them on top of each other. It's just called what do you say? A grave top in Danish. So Sigurd Stenhøj, Barrit, Denmark. Yeah, and I bought it in Horsens way back. So it's, I don't think you can see it on film, but their phone number was 4. So you just dial the the nice lady and said, I want number 4. Give me the jack guy. Yeah. So, well, lots of stuff around, but yeah, for private reasons I can't show it all at once, but we got a more modern thing here. Yamaha SZR 660. I had one of those years ago, and under the cover here is a complete bike, but on German pavers. And this one is Danish, but the engine was bad. I bought it with a bad engine, but with Danish papers, so I'm simply taking the engine from this one and putting it on this one. Then I have to decide if I want the bike to be orange, which I really like, or black. It's just a matter of changing the fairings. Cheated. That color, I like it. I really like yellow and orange. So, and over here we have my first motorcycle, Honda 404 from, can't really remember if it's 76 or 77 like myself, but, and a frame for a real early MZ ES 150. That can always come in handy. And yeah, you haven't seen the dealer sign, we can always come back to that. But here's a ES 150 as well. I have bought it dismantled a lot of years ago, and it's, as you can see, it has been nicely painted and all, but it's basically this section is more or less a MZ ES 150. So yeah, I should probably get that together. But well, it's always nice to have a little bit to play around with. So, but well, tell me what you think. Have you got old gear as well as this? I bought it to use originally, but of course today I just got a cheap aluminium one because I can't really move that around. But I just think it's a cool item. I actually got one more jack that I can show you later on. It's outside in the barn. It's not as nice as this, but it's actually from the 30s, so it's a little bit older, and it's got the wheels, they can turn. It's a really cool item. I actually saved that from a Danish museum. It was going in the scrap, but I can tell you that when if I do a little video on it, if you want to see it, that is. But yeah, see you. Show me your gear if you have some. Bye bye.